Today, take a look at it. DAP concrete siliconized filler and sealant, and I'm going to use that to fill some hairline cracks in my stucco. So the idea here is I want to try to get it to press into the stucco, into that crack. So I'm going to try to push it straight forward and apply pressure and fill that up. Now this is a pretty small crack right here, not a big deal, but it's important to get these things when they're small like that so they don't develop into anything bigger. We can see that this is a gray, and even though there's a lot on there, it's okay. We can go ahead and kind of wipe that off with our finger. But the more important thing is that we get that pressed into the crack. Just going to wipe along. And depending on the texture, this can look weird or not. Well, another thing that you can do to just make it a little bit better, if you got a little brush like this, use that, just kind of tap it in, and that will help press it into all those little bubbles and spots that are in the stucco naturally to make it look a little bit better. There we go. So now we just give it our layer of paint and we will be done.